Setpoint U. Inform, educate, empower.
Welcome to another Tips and Tricks. Have you ever asked yourself when opening the alarm folder in the enteliWEB tree, what are alerts? Alerts are an enteliWEB feature that let you know when you have a problem with your enteliWEB system connections, a BACnet device such as a copper cube, or if you have an energy management meter that is not meeting its comparative value. We'll go down and look at alarms, and we're going to select System. You'll notice that these three system alerts pop up. One is a system message that says multiple devices have been detected with the device number of 30,000. That was 29 minutes ago. Then there's another one that says Report Schedule, and it's a critical type of alarm. Note that all of these alarms are critical. It says service state is active and service state is inactive. In this case, this service state returned to active on May 27th at 12:12 p.m. We also have a system message that says critical copper cube connection failed. So that means we have a failed connection to the copper key on site. This is the system level type of information that alerts are used for. You can assign these alerts to be emailed to an individual if so desired. You would set that up just like how you would do your regular alarm emails. System alerts have specific rules which they are set up for. We'll click the gear and go down to Alerts. Now you can see the different alarm type detections which are available to look at. You'll see that the status of each one is either alarm or normal. And here's that copper cube connection, which is an alarm that we saw earlier. You can add an alert, or you can go to the alarm settings, in which case it identifies the different alarm groups that you have. If you so desire, you can go back to your alerts, select an alert, and review the rules. The rule of algorithm is status, and the notification class is critical. I can try to edit this rule, but as you can see, it won't let me do it. It also won't let me create a new rule for it, because this is a system level type rule. We'll click Create New and save this. It's asking me for a notification class which doesn't come up because you cannot edit a system level rule or a system level alert. You can edit energy alerts to change the value at which it's comparing energy consumption value to let you know when you've exceeded your energy consumption expectation. The rest of these alerts, as said earlier, are system alerts. They're automatically generated within enteliWEB and the server that it's residing on. Again, you cannot edit these because these are fixed system level monitoring alerts. But you can have these alerts sent to an individual email if necessary. This concludes our tips and tricks for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and comment on new topics you'd like to see. For inquiries about on-site training classes, contact your Setpoint account manager.